How to send a message to all your contacts on WhatsApp. Hello everybody, welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to show you guys a quick and easy way to send all of your messages to each and every contact that you have on WhatsApp. It's pretty simple, so let's get right in. First thing that you want to do is open up WhatsApp, and from here you just want to send any message to one person first. And once you do that, all you have to do is just long press on the message and then tap on this forward button. And from here, all the list of your WhatsApp will show up. You just have to select everything. And once you do so, you just tap on send. So once you do that, your message will be sent to each and every contact on your WhatsApp group, and everyone will be notified that you've sent them a message. So that's pretty much it for this video. If you found this helpful, hit the like button below and subscribe. I'll see you guys on the next one.